Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi 15 and let me share with you how to clear cache and speed up your device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the apps section. Let's tap. Then here we've got the full list of all apps which we've got installed on our device, and I highly recommend to go through all of them and try to remove cache. So for example, let me choose maybe the Chrome. Just tap on it, go to the storage, and as you can see here we've got this cache section. Basically the cache are junk files which are installed, which are saved by our device, but they are not necessary to use the app properly, but obviously they are occupying the memory. So I highly recommend to simply tap on clear data and tap on clear cache. Confirm it with OK, and your device will immediately remove it. And as I said, I highly recommend to go through all of those apps and to remove cache. After that, I highly recommend to reset your device. So all you have to do is to press the power button and volume up button together and wait until you see this reset option. So let me show it to you. Obviously, if you've got the I believe AI turned on because it is assigned to the power button. If not, you can just press it and hold it. So here, just drag this ball to this reboot option and your device will be automatically powered off and then powered on again. And this operation will basically, let's say, confirm all of the changes connected with cache. And another thing which I believe you know, but I just wanted to highlight it, is to use the cleaner. The cleaner is a pre-installed app. I highly recommend to go there. And here your device will can automatically remove the trash. As you can see here, we've got quite a lot of them. Here we've got cache files, some kind of residuals. Just mark all of those sections which you wish to remove and tap on clean up. Moreover, you can go to security also, and here we've got this cleaner section which we've opened before. But if you wish, you can also perform a deep clean. Just tap on this deep clean option, and here you've got the information what you can do in order to release some memory. So you can uninstall the apps, you can clear up data or delete the photos, and thanks to it you will release the memory and obviously speed up your device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.